Good afternoon, it's Phil, Quiet Places. I'm at a very quiet place right now. It's Monday. I am here in another suburban Atlanta town. Once again, the closest town is the town of Cartersville. A lot of historic places and great hiking, trails, whatever out here. So, what you're looking at right here is the Etowah Valley, and this was once an important place for the mining of iron back in the 1800s. There were mills, there were mines out here. There was a town called Etowah, and it's no longer here anymore. Whoa. Etowah River Valley, a historic Cooper furnace area. Sorry, reading off of this kind of, but a lot of what was out here was used to construct railroads in the 1840s, and it's not here anymore. Now just a hiking trail. Alright, check out this dam and some of what you're seeing are hawks flying around it. Let's see if I can get this guy right there. Nice, a lot of hawks around here. And this was a dam built in 1950. Helps provide electrical power. See that hawk again. Nice. So I'm up here at the summit overlook, Cooper Furnace Trails. Very nice. So here it is, people. Cooper's Furnace. This is the namesake of the Cooper's Furnace Trails around here, Cartersville, Georgia. This is all that remains. There was once a town around here, thriving iron industry. And now just this. And I was reading that the way it worked was sort of like the material, the mined material would be put up in the top, and there were bellows that were like down here, I believe, that would create the heat that would melt the materials into iron. And this iron was used to create nails, cookware, railroad rails, and it was made what's called pig iron, which is not like a high quality iron, but it was destroyed in the Civil War. So that's what happened. Cooper Furnace Nature Trail, Cartersville, Georgia. So just want to, I know I kind of did this in reverse, but here's what the trail looks like more or less. Very rocky, it's not like a smooth surface trail. We're not talking about a lot of miles for the actual Cooper Furnace Trail, but here's a cool thing about it, is that you get to the trailhead here and you can actually access the Pine Mountain Trail, which I have a few videos about, which is a great local trail in the Atlanta suburbs area. You can access it right here, so you can actually go there and you're off to Pine Mountain. So that's cool. So yeah, not, you know, not an extensive trail, but nice. You know, I didn't have too much time today on Monday. You know, got things to do, busy work and whatnot. But you know, this is like, you know, if you're in Northwest Atlanta suburbs, this is probably within half an hour of where you live. And you know, you want to learn about some of the history here. You know, it was once a what sounds like a very prosperous town that is now under Alatoona Lake due to the dam, which you already saw in this video. So that's it. Cooper's Furnace, nice little day trail. Check it out.